video you drive or just the hood of the car?
Not me.
Not you?
Not too much of me anyway.
I'll just get you every now and then.
Kind of get used to this manual steering, you know?
I like it. Well, if it's made with manual steering, it ain't bad.
Yeah.
But power steering without power steering sucks for some reason.
Yeah.
I guess it's just the box is different. Maybe.
You know, I'd rather have power steering, but about close to $400 to buy everything to make it power steering.
Yep.
New rock and everything.
That's how much I paid for just my pump and bracket for mine.
Going too fast for the passengers to kick in. You pull that rear end move here in a little bit. That movement it's got. I ain't done it yet, but it will do.
You say this is squeals when you're in curves? Or?
Feel it?
Yeah, I felt that.
Yeah, that's what it does.
What is that, I wonder?
I would say it's the spring bushing.
Oh,
Where the
yeah.
leaf hook that little bush
Yeah.
where the bolt goes through. I would say that's what it is. It does it more if you're like trying to speed in it.
Yeah.
You're trying to whip around the curves like real quick.
Yep.
Taking it easy, it won't do it as much. I think I smell gas.
With me.
Thing's old.
That was good. I like it.
It does run good, that's for sure, for a little four-banger.
I like it a lot.
I think it'd be cooler with 5 speed.
Oh, yeah. Or even a 4. If it was, I don't know.
Put a header on it,
Yeah.
a turbo.
Yeah. I think we're getting into some bigger money.
This thing won't kick down unless you're about 30.
So this gear higher?
It's not. It's kind of straining a little bit. 60's about getting a little uncomfortable for it.
Yeah.
They won't see there.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, hope it broke down. He's turning around. It's gonna be on the YouTube. He's gonna say, "Why y'all filming me for?" Oh, yeah, I felt that.
I don't see it. We shook it and moved it and everything else. Never seen anything moving, but something.
You think it needs, are those hard to put in, the bushings?
No. Well, it's not complicated, but it can be hard.
Yeah.
Might have to burn them out.
Yeah.
I'd rather have power brakes on this thing too.
Now that I like. I can deal with manual steering, but I like good brakes.
But as far as I know, this thing's all original. As far as I know, it's what it came.
of weird that gas cap's like that, ain't it? But
Yeah.
It's probably was late in the year.
Yeah. I think I need to check out and make sure this thing ain't got a gas leak. I mean, it's all new, but I think the carburetor may be leaking. It does good. We got a valve cover oil leak.
That's easy on this.
I just hope the time belt won't break or something, because it's set for a long time.
Is that one that you gave me for this? Or is it just for...
I don't know. I guess we're the same, all of them, I guess. Should be. Sure. Got no signal lights.
Somebody behind us.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I think it is, because I can't find.
It's hot.
Burn your hands.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I missed it, but we got it. I was here. Let's take my word for it.
Yeah, buddy. This thing's fast if you're racing a lawnmower.
And kick down again. Two-barrel sounds like it's gonna suck the hood down.
I've used a thimble full of gas right there. I thought you would feel the bumps on the steering wheel, like when
Your jerk shoot.
Yeah, it don't. Unless you run into a big rock or something.
Yeah.
Probably jerk it.
Drop the tire off the road, maybe.
Yeah.
They do that with the power steering too.
Yeah, you don't feel nothing.
Your drive's pretty good, don't it? Is it
Yeah,
hard to park?
To have bolts shimming the rock.
Yeah.
You know how they had that in play?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it was horrible, if you remember. Me and Paul just stuck washers and stuff, took up that slack.
Yeah.
But fix it right. But it drives okay. Pretty good set of lights.
Yeah. Thought we just saw this fella at B-Mart.
I think we did. Looks funny. Yeah. Need to take this dash out and paint it. I think I can fix this. I think I can make a.
I think you can tell I was looking at that too.
I think I can put some sponge and stuff on that. Fix that. Neat, man. Okay. Set you back, didn't it?
Oh gosh. Took me a minute to get my breath.
0 to 40 in 14 seconds.
That's pretty quick.
They're a pleasure to drive. It's just a piece of the past, like me.
Yeah. Me too.
I live in the past.
Me too.
Hold on to the future.
That's right.
Did you like that?
Loved it.
I still bet you I could come up through here at 60 miles an hour in this thing.
Yeah, I'd still say it handles pretty
I
good.
bet you I could get.
You tried it out in that Fox body that time.
Yeah.
You did good.
Yeah, I can pull a Duke boy. I can straighten some curves, flatten some hills.
I can do it. I can flatten some tires, straighten some dents.
Oh yeah. I'm surprised anything on this car works.
All these old cars, they're just better. See people on YouTube all the time, these old cars are running for 1,000 miles.
Yep.
All the way home.
Yep. Well, as long as you're not leaking water or oil or something, you know,
Yep.
we have it pretty good. I love it. I mean, it's just hard to get in now, love, but it's not too bad when you're in it.
It's easier to get in my truck.
Yep.
To me.
It's smooth as silk until you slow down, especially when you're.
That's the way that Fox body was. The one I had, if you remember.
I would imagine, yeah.
You had to use both feet if you stopped, because it
I'd say it's the carburetor needs cleaned on it.
probably.
Like I said, the points. I mean, gosh, man, this thing basically just got in and started it up.
Yep. Start driving it.
Yeah. Yep.
So you've got your 8-track.
I don't think it's just a radio.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just radio. That's what I meant.
Oh, ow!
Is it hot?
No, don't try to poke it through because it's solid.
Oh, it's not a button. When did the crap did 8-track come out? I thought you were had an 8-track. It was a 77.
Well, I don't remember. Well, probably 60s. I don't know. I'd imagine somewhere in there.
It's a plain Jane one, ain't it?
Yeah. This works. It might.
I pulled it on my Mustang and it stuck when I first got it.
I have to get this stuff out of the hatch. It rattles. This car's got full of junk.
Got a lot of junk in my trunk too. My car. I've been cleaning it out though.
I'd like to figure out how to get that tackle working.
Yeah.
It might be working and the needle not moving. It just be sitting there spinning inside of it. I doubt it.
Oh, if you had one of those old tacks, that looked pretty
I
good.
do got one.
That looked good.
It's humongous, so as big as that. As big as one of these.
Gosh.
I thought about, you know, you sit right there, but you couldn't even see the gauges.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Who is that?
Oh, it's Renee.
Oh. Oh, it's Buddy.
Yeah.
He's doing good, ain't he?
Yeah. You can feel that.
Yeah, I can feel it there. I don't like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's something simple but complicated.
Yeah.
See how it jerks when you
And that straightens up.
it revs fine. Might be plug wires.